Welcome to Wildrose Media's Spring Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make the Sea Creatures craft. There are two versions of this craft. One has a dolphin and a turtle, the other one has a shell and a turtle. Begin by emptying your craft kit onto your work surface. In the kit, you'll have a paintbrush, sandpaper, a cotton swab, 2 dark brown blocks, 2 unpainted wood blocks, a shell and a turtle shape, the white paint for the unpainted wood blocks, the blue for the shell, and the green paint for the turtle. We'll begin by painting the wood blocks white. You'll paint both sides of these blocks. Paint one side first, set it aside to dry, and then do the other. While you're waiting for the paint to dry, you can paint the shell blue and the turtle green. You're only going to paint one side of the shell and one side of the turtle. The other side will be glued to the white block. Make sure you get the edges really well, because they will show. Set it aside and let it dry completely. Now use the green paint to paint the turtle. Be sure to paint the edges as well. Set the turtle aside to dry. Once the paint is completely dry, you can use the sandpaper. Lightly sand the edges of the white blocks to give it a somewhat distressed look. Next, you'll use the sandpaper to scuff the edges of the shell and the turtle. Be careful not to sand all the paint off. If the sandpaper tears, just fold it and use a different spot. The turtle is quite fragile, so if you need to, place it flat on your table and sand it rather than holding it in your hand. Next, we'll glue our creatures onto the white wood blocks. Use the cotton swab to apply a little bit of glue to the unpainted side of the turtle and the shell. Then place it on the white block. Now we'll place them onto the dark wood blocks, which are our base. Use the cotton swab to apply a little bit of glue to the bottom of the white blocks. Attach the white blocks carefully to the wide, flat surface of the brown base. Move it around so that it's straight and then set it aside to dry. You'll do the same thing with the turtle. And there you go. Your craft is done. Thanks for watching.